Hello, everyone.
One of the defense attorneys in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is concerned about his safety after a trespassing incident at his residence involving two individuals. This was heard in the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria on Wednesday. Judge Raja Mokgoatleng, who's presiding over the matter, revealed that Muziga Ukhalelwa Sibiya's attorney, Advocate Thulani Mngomezulu, informed him about the incident. He said, "There's a disturbing message I received from Mr. Mngomezulu, which he suspects arises from the fact that he is a counsel in this matter. It appears there are persons who visited his home in the morning. Fortunately, when they wanted to enter the premises of Mr. Mngomezulu, the dogs barked." According to the judge, Mngomezulu stated that the two people were unknown to him. The attorney also believes the trespassing is connected to the trial. He said he suspects that they were out to harm him, injure him, or kill him because this is what happens in South Africa. Mokgoatleng indicated that Mngomezulu was entitled to police protection and further said, "Mr. Mngomezulu, maybe you should lay a charge with the police so that it is realized that you are being assailed when you are performing your job as an officer of this court." Advocate Mngomezulu also raised concerns about renowned record producer Chicco Twala's comments in an interview this week. He said, "I lack competency and he doesn't know why I'm drawing him into this court." Twala told Kaya FM on Tuesday that he felt his name was being unjustly implicated in the trial. This came after Mngomezulu revealed details from Sifiso Meyiwa's affidavit, which alleged that the musician's son Longwe Twala was responsible for the murder of the former Orlando Pirates goalkeeper. Longwe was one of the people at Foster's residence where Meyiwa was fatally shot on 26 October 2014. He was dating Zandile Khumalo, the sister of Meyiwa's girlfriend Kelly Khumalo at the time. Advocate Charles Mnisi, who's representing Mthobisi Mncube, indicated on Wednesday that the defense intends to call Longwe to testify in court if the state did not do so. Senzo Meyiwa was shot and killed while visiting Khumalo at her mother's residence in Vosloorus, east of Johannesburg, on 26 October 2014. According to accused number 1 and accused number 2, Muziga Ukhalelwa Sibiya and Bongani Ntanzi's confession statements, Khumalo ordered the hit on Meyiwa. Sibiya, Ntanzi, Mncube, Fisokuhle Ntuli, and Thokoziseni Maphisa are on trial for the footballer's murder. All 5 men pleaded not guilty to charges of premeditated murder, attempted murder, armed robbery, illegal possession of a firearm, and the illegal possession of ammunition. Chicco Twala also does not feel that his testimony will help the case as his gun came back negative after it was taken for ballistics test shared. He told Zimoja that, "What will the state get from me or Ivan's testimony? We were not there when Senzo was killed. Dragging my name and Ivan into the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is nothing but attention-seeking exercise by this fly-by-night advocate Mngomezulu. The man is just marketing himself, not that he wants justice for Senzo. He's making noise about an old issue that was raised by Sifiso a while ago. Mngomezulu is beyond incompetent." Sending love and prayers to Advocate Mngomezulu. May the Lord protect him. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.